If today you hear His voice, harden not your heart. Happy Sunday in the 27th week in Ordinary Time, brothers and sisters in Christ. Today, we hear the message of Jesus concerning our faith. Faith as the size of the mustard seed that can move and obey even the most impossible things in our human existence. In reality, we may face difficulties, pains, failures, sickness, and even desperations in our life. The prophet Habakkuk experienced the same thing when he voices his frustrations over God's delayed help. Yet, God asked him to continue his work and increase his faith. God even promised him that everything has its time for its fulfillment. God added that if it delays, wait patiently, for it will come. For the rash one has no integrity, but the just one, because of his faith, shall live. Ang mga pangyayari sa buhay natin, mahirap man, mabigat, at sa tingin natin imposibleng malagpasan, batay sa kategorya ng mundo, ngunit sa Panginoon at sa pamamagitan ng ating pananampalataya, maliit man pero malalim, posibleng malagpasan natin ang ating mga problema at mapagtagumpayan natin ito. Of course, in God's ways, by His will, and in His time that He desired. Saint Paul, to his second letter to Timothy, consoled him, and it echoes in our life circumstances nowadays. Saint Paul said, "Bear your share of hardships for the gospel with the strength that comes from God. For God did not give us the spirit of cowardice, but of the power of love and self-control." Brothers and sisters in Christ, to have faith in God means to let God a God in our life. To believe in God is to allow God to direct our life full of trust and total surrender in His will. By allowing God to be a God in us, we may find within ourselves that we are living a life of faith anchored in humility and commitment to God's call obediently. And lastly, our faith in God, being like a mustard seed, gives us an assurance that He will give us what we asked for. So brothers and sisters in Christ, ask the Lord to increase your faith. Increase your faith more so that you will grow deeper in your relationship with God. And you may be able to face hardship and difficulties of your life courageously and faithfully. God bless.